Hello, my digital planner friends. Today we're back with another video. This one is a plan with me. We're going to do October's plan with me, and we're going to do it in a fall theme. We're going to this is the fall sticker set from the fall collection. And if you're new here, my name is Brandi Reed with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners and digital stickers for Christian women. If this is something that you're interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and definitely hit that like button if you like this video. Let's get to planning. All right, we're going to go ahead and plan for October's. We're going to use the fall theme kit from 3 Nail Faith, and I'm going to just zoom in and let's just see the kit real quick. I love this little scene. We have a fall leaves with a Bible verse, pumpkins with a Bible verse, some lines with a Bible verse, little scarecrows with a Bible verse. We have prayer lists to do, the rectangle boxes, our washi, weekend, our date, or our week covers. Then we have these cute little decorative stickers. All of these, with the theme of this yellow, green, and or yellow orangey color, I guess, light green and the reddish, burnt reddish color. And so there are our hex codes. If you've never used one of our kits before, basically what you do is if you want to use these for pens, you will select the text button, text edit, copy. You'll go to the pen, you'll go to the first one with a little downward arrow, go to custom, paste, and hit the plus button, and that adds it in. I had already added in, but I wanted to make sure I showed you how to do that with this. And then on the third page, you can join our customer hub since you're a member, and you can shop more. So these are on all of the pages. Okay, so let's go ahead. We showed you the elements, or I'm going to use the elements rather than the sticker sheet. I just happen to like it, but I wanted to make sure I showed you how to use those elements tools. So here is our October month. I have already gone in and put in my date, my meetings, and got that all set up. And I've already got it color coded the way I want them. So that is all set up. We're ready to go ahead and start planning. I'm going to pull up, forgot to pull up something real quick. So as soon as I have that taken care of, we can get started. Okay, I didn't really want to do like a Halloween theme. I don't really particularly love Halloween. That's just me. So I just wanted to do a fall theme. So I do have my elements collection already loaded with my fall theme somewhere. There it is. There's my fall theme. If you've never used an elements collection before, you can easily just tap and play, or you can, this little box here with the line, if you tap that, that's going to open up a new window. And I just like to have it smaller where I can see my month more. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see. I'm going to start with, I like to start at the top. So which washi am I going to use? I love this little pumpkins. So we got that dragged over. We're going to zoom in just a little bit. And as we know, it comes in crazy. That came in super crazy because I made it too big too quick, I think. So we're going to go ahead and touch the picture icon, touch that, and then we obviously are not going to want it that large, but that's where I'm starting with. Make it smaller. All right, we got that. For the top, I want to add in the name back, or the month back in. And I love to use Noteworthy. I do want to make it much larger so that it fits. So you can see it clearly on the top. Let's go ahead and add our washi in. I mean, not our washi, our dates in. I'm missing Monday. I think it was right back here just a second ago. I'm just going to probably drop them all in and then fix them. Just so I have them easily accessed when I'm zoomed in. All right, we'll go in. I'm gonna fix Tuesday first since you wanna be on your picture icon. Zoom it down. There we go. And if you've been around a little while, you know I'm not too particular about anything being super, doesn't have to be perfect. I just want some pretty, some color. My main thing about my particular planner is I want to make sure I know that I'm not missing anything or overbooking myself, because I have a tendency to think that I can do way more than I actually can get done in a single month. That's just me. So my main thing for my month is to track and make sure I don't overschedule myself. Make sure my meetings match up. Make sure I still have plenty of time for my family, which is what we're going to start with. We're going to start with, well, first thing we're going to start with is getting rid of anything that, oops, I don't have my text boxes on. I'm going to get rid of that, and all of these are good. Okay. We're going to go in and do our weekend first. Here's my weekend. My weekends are pretty well the same. I go to church, I plan, spend time with my family. So there's my planner for this month. Love that. Isn't that so cute? The little scarecrows. Just loved that theme, that little clip art there. Let's see. Where is... I'm obviously flying through too fast. Didn't see... Okay, there's my family time. Saturdays are family time. And we have church on Sunday. So because this is the same, I am just going to go ahead and lasso all of that, copy. We'll go ahead and paste those all in, because that's always the same. Well, there may be a little variations, but overall that's the same. Okay, we got that in. Now, let's see. I want to, what do I want to add? Okay, we need paydays in. Paydays on a Thursday. I'm going to just go ahead and lasso that. Okay, and then because payday is that day, we need to do a, let's do this one for bill paying. I'm just going to set it there for right now on pay, and then we'll go to the next line, bills. And then I know I'm going to need to shrink it up a little bit. So let's see how that worked. Oh, perfect. And we're going to copy and put it on right there, because we've got, you know, every time we get paid, the next day we're going to pay bills. I need my little coffee cup because I have a coffee chat on Mondays. And I have one in the circles, but I really just adore that guy. So I like that size. So I'm again going to just copy and paste, because every Monday I have a coffee chat. Okay, so that is done. Let's see, I want to add, we've got a lot of space in here to add some fun stuff. There, let me get that scarecrow scene. We're going to add that in, definitely. Okay, we're going to add it. All right, they're not going to fit in correctly. So what we're going to need to do, I'm going to put them there and there. All right, we're going to come in and use the picture tool. And I kind of want to try to center it. Well, first off, I need to make sure it's not wonky. Center it, and that way oops. Okay, let's do this guy the same. Make sure he's not wonky. Kind of center it as best as we can. There we go. We got that scene in there. I just think it's so adorable. And I want to make, let's see, I want to add some of these scriptures in. Let's put this one in here. Oops, that went a little crazy. Again, go to the picture scene and stretch it out. Okay, and then I want to add another one. Let's add this one right there. Then we're going to add, I just want to add one of the, I just love this guy. I got to add him in. He is adorable. Oops, wrong one. And there we go. So we got all of our top filled in. Let's see. I don't think we have any appointments or anything this month, which is a good thing. I'm sure I will fill in these more on the weekdays, but let's go ahead and use some of these fun. We got Hello Fall we can add in. Love this little pumpkin guy. I'm going to add him right there because I want to add that fun, this guy. Add him right here. I just loved him. He's so adorable. We're going to make him even go over a little bit because he's just too stinking cute. Okay. He's over a little bit. I don't obviously think I've got going anything on that day. And if I do, then I'll just move him to a different day. We have our Bible study, our Wednesday night Bible study. So I want to put my little Bible in for Wednesdays. Make sure I got, yep, that's Wednesday. And again, I like the size, so I'm just going to copy and paste that in. I do know that Halloween is right here. I kind of covered up the little thing, but like I said before, I'm not really, where did my, there it is. I'm not really big on Halloween, so I just wanted to do a fall theme for this month. Let's see, what else do I want to add in? You know what I haven't been doing? Sunday night is trash night, so we'll put in, I didn't put in our trash can. Make sure our trash goes to the road. Okay. No birthdays. I think that's all I'm going to use on this one. I will definitely be using all of these other ones on like my daily pages, my weekly pages. But for October, I think that is pretty well what I would like to have for my October. So I'm going to slide that out of the way and get it out so you can get a good view of my October as things. There may be other things that come in, but overall that's about what we do in a month. So if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about anything, make sure you let me know down in the comments. And I will make sure I link the fall kit. Your best bet, though, is I have a fall kit. I have a Thanksgiving kit, another fall kit. If you want several of our kits, we also have a 2022 bundle pack where you can get every single sticker that we create, or I create, in 2022. And not only does it have the sticker kits, but it also has all of the color changing stickers, which is actually what these were that I just used where I could. I'm going to turn off the text boxes. I'm going to show you this real quick. I don't want my words to get changed, so I just want the color of my flags to get changed. And let's say I want to do them to that blue. Super easy to be able to change your color of your stickers. There's certain stickers that can be created that way. And I have a whole line of those as well. But anyway, regardless, if you want to save money, that is your best way to save money at 3 Nail Faith, is to buy one of the sticker bundles. And yeah, that'll cover up this plan with me. If you have any questions, again, just leave them down below, and I will see you in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.